I'm Debi Peverill, and you're listening to the weekly tip from Painless Financial Training Group. Today I'm talking about records of employment. We typically refer to them as ROEs. So the issue around ROEs, of course, is that you only have 5 days to fill them in and get them filed after there has been a disruption in a person's employment. So these are forms obviously filed by employers. And the typical disruption in employment we're talking about is if someone quits or they're laid off or they're dismissed. Seasonal employment, of course, follows a certain pattern, and those ROEs are issued at the end of the season. What happens occasionally, though, is that Services Canada and, of course, Tax Court from there can impose a fine if the records of employment are not filled in within the 5 days, and also, of course, in certain situations where they're not filled in correctly. So to consider this a legal document that you fill in for the ROE, it is not correct to put in shortage of work if a person in fact was dismissed. And on occasion, Services Canada does investigate these claims to make sure that the right code was put on the record of employment. And there's more than just a few of them. If you look on the website, you'll see there's quite a number of new record of employment codes. So the fine, typically it's $2,000 if they feel that it wasn't filed on time, but an Ontario court held that a punitive damage of $50,000 was appropriate because there had been a significant disadvantage to an employee because their ROE wasn't filed on time. So it's not just going to be $2,000 in every case. So if you're doing an ROE, remember that this is a legal document that should be filed accurately and on time.